द चैनल फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आप सभी का बैंक स्ट्रीम में। आप सब स्वस्थ होंगे, फिट होंगे, सो यही हम दुआ करते हैं, आशा करते हैं। सो ऑल इंडिया बैंक रिटायरीज फेडरेशन की तरफ से आई विल से काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट सर्कुलर है फ्रेंड्स। इट्स नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट, दी इम्पॉर्टेंट हियर रिगार्डिंग ग्रुप मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस स्कीम। इसके बाद जो यहाँ पे एक प्लान है उसको डिस्कस करेंगे जो काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट मैटर करता है। Organizational efforts of AIBRF for the improvements. So as you are aware, AIBRF has been taking several steps year after year to bring the improvements in the group medical scheme. So because of the organization efforts of AIBRF, concept of super top up policy, single premium system, multiple slabs, base policy, ये सब introduce हुए हैं. So last year AIBRF tied up with the SBI Journal for super top up policy from rupees 1 lakh to 10 lakh at affordable premiums, and it was availed by about 27,000 bank retirees. So we understand from SBI Journal that group super top up policy given to bank retirees covering about 27,000 members is the largest group insurance policy issued by any insurance company in the country under this category. So that is why this is important friends. उसके बाद एक बड़ा अलग सी अपडेट है, उसको डिस्कस करेंगे. As all of you know, next renewals for retirees will be due in the month of October 2024 and process for renewal has since commenced at IBA level. So in order to secure better deal for retirees in the next renewal balance time, AIBRF has taken the following steps in the last 2 months. So AIBRF has written to CLC New Delhi to convene joint meeting to discuss grievances suggestions given by AIBRF. So CLC has written letter number 10/20/22 IR dated 14th March 24 to IBA asking them to give their comments on AIBRF representation on group insurance scheme. So AIBRF has written letter number dated 18th March 24 addressed to Shri Murli Bhagat, Deputy Chief Executive, Indian Bank Association, to convene meeting to consider our suggestions on the group medical insurance scheme. So AIBRF has written letter number 2024-33 dated 23rd March 2024 addressed to United Farmer Bank Union convener to convene meeting with AIBRF representatives to consider suggestions on funding of base policy of rupees 2 lakh and modifications needed in terms of conditions of base policy. So AIBRF carried out first joint review of SBI General Super Top Up policy for the first quarter ended 31st March 31st January 2024 in respect of claim and allied matter and circulate the report by double letter number 2024 by 013 dated 10th of February 2024. Further, AIBRF has been in touch with few insurance companies, broking firms to secure proposals on group insurance and allied matters which may be suitable and meet requirements of retirees in this area. So we have received 4 following proposals which we placed for your information and consideration. तो ये यहाँ पे इम्पोर्टेंट है, गैप इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी फॉर द रिटायरीज प्रपोजल क्या है इसको देखेंगे दोस्तों. इट विल रिस्क कवर फॉर नॉन मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस ऑफ डिफरेंट नेचर रिक्वायर्ड टू बी इंकर्ड एट द टाइम ऑफ हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन एंड नॉट कवर्ड इन नॉर्मल हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी. Sum insured available under the scheme is between 1.5 lakh to rupees 4 lakh. So detailed terms and conditions are given in Annexure A. अभी डिस्कस करेंगे. Our patients insurance policy for retirees, broadly it will cover risk of domiciliary nature. Detailed terms and conditions are given in Annexure B. Affordable base policy proposal, it will be available for sum assured of rupees 1.5 lakhs and rupees 2 lakh. So detailed terms and conditions are given in Annexure C. Health checkup at 46 centers of Apollo. So we have received proposal for comprehensive health checkup of retirees at 46 centers of Apollo Hospital at discounted and special rate of rupees 3600 per person. So detailed terms and conditions are enclosed in the annexure. So ये है gap insurance policy for retirees. So this is what we have been discussing to Mr. S.C. Jain, General Secretary, AIBRF, Indore, gap insurance policy. This is what we have been saying, that why this is important here. So as you are aware, certain non-medical expenses are never paid under Mediclaim, even if the policy is covering all the ailments without any restrictions or capping. So there is therefore always a gap between the claimed amount and final payable amount. So this gap due to non-medical expenditure ranges between 10%, 20% in every claim depending upon the type of treatment. So we are pleased to inform you that even this gap can now be paid through insurance. What is covered? The insurance shall cover the claims which pertains to non-payable item covers. This product covers 99 such non-consumable items which are generally excluded in any health insurance cover. So all terms and conditions will be as per the base policy of the insured, that is the pre-existing diseases are covered in the base policy. सो कवर टाइप में आप देख सकते हैं रिलेशनशिप ऑप्शन 1 सेल्फ ओनली, ऑप्शन 2 सेल्फ प्लस स्पाउस, एज 91 days to 80 years और प्रपोजर मस्ट बी एन अडल्ट. सम इंश्योर्ड में देखें आप 1.5 लाख, 2 लाख, 3 लाख, 4 लाख. प्री एग्जिस्टिंग डिसीज कवर्ड फ्रॉम डे 1, 30 days वेटिंग पीरियड वेव्ड, वेटिंग पीरियड फॉर स्पेसिफिक वेव्ड, number of lives minimum 1000 families to be covered in this policy in each association. So list of 99 medical expenses which are covered. So दोस्तों आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. So इसीलिए दोस्तों ये पॉलिसी थोड़ी सी जिसे हम गैप पॉलिसी बोल रहे हैं अच्छी है मेरे अकॉर्डिंगली. और प्रीमियम इंक्लूडिंग जीएसटी यहाँ पे बताए गए हैं. एज 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 1.5 लाख के लिए 2969 है, 60 to 80 में 2 लाख के लिए 3266 है for age 60 to 80. So these are the various ages. 2A self plus spouse including GST. So इस विंडो को थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देख लेना प्लीज रिस्पेक्टेड सीनियर्स. So we once again thank you for the opportunity and request you to help in immediately announcing this policy so that we can cover at least 10,000 families in 1 month's time. To Mr. S.C. Jain. So यहाँ पे नेक्चर आउट पेशेंट इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी प्रपोजल फॉर रिटायरीज. सो दोस्तों आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. सो दिस इज़ द बेस्ट आई कैन डू. प्लान 1, प्लान 2. इफ़ एनी ऑफ द रिस्पेक्टेड वांट दिस PDF काइंडली कमेंट. अब तो कमेंट सेशन भी मैंने ओपन कर दिया है ऑन रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ मैनी ऑफ द सीनियर्स दैट दे वांट कमेंट सेशन टू बी ओपन so that they can openly discuss some of the important particulars. Because now onwards I am not reading much of the comments. I have put the filter out there. Only important comments are available to me. So kindly see if any of the friend have any problem, so kindly comment in this. So this is 24th March All India Bank Retirees Federation important circular. So इसलिए मैंने इसको दी इम्पोर्टेंट का टैग देके टाइटल में भी डालूंगा मैं. So kindly share this update and subscribe to channel if possible. एंड काइंडली ज्वाइन द बटन. सो दोस्तों ज्वाइन बटन को भी आप ज्वाइन करके हमें सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं बिकॉज द थिंग्स रियली टुक द हार्डशिप टू डिलीवर. सो काइंडली ज्वाइन अस बाय क्लिकिंग द ज्वाइन बटन एट द फ्रेंडशिप लेवल. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस सेशन. टेक केयर ऑल रिस्पेक्टेड सीनियर.